Hey, what's happening, everybody? I want to welcome you to G8 Ventures, where we're crowdfunding your dreams here, guys. We're helping people that's always wanted to start businesses or those that's currently in business to get the capital that they need to get their business up and running or to make their business run better. We're the game changer, guys, right now. We're the game changer in crowdfunding. G8 Ventures is a powerful crowdfunding project within a private community where the members are helping each other to win. That's super exciting, and that is how we're doing it. Now, it's important to know no recruiting is needed. I'm going to show you something that's very important about this. We share this great opportunity with other business owners. We simply share this opportunity with other business owners. Now, I know when you're talking to people about recruiting and sharing, they say, well, it's the same thing. And I'm going to show you here where they are not the same thing. And if you operate based upon sharing, you're going to win. But if you're trying to recruit, you're totally out of your league. Let's look at the definition of sharing. To allow someone to use or enjoy something that one possesses, right? So you're in here with us. Share this with others and give them an opportunity to enjoy the same thing that you possess. Unselfishness. Right? Unselfishly willing to share with others, a warm and sharing friend. Guys, this is something that we simply share. It's important that you know this because a lot of people say, well, isn't it recruiting? We're still recruiting. Here's the definition. I don't care what you think. You cannot change what the definition of something is, guys. Look at the synonym. Unselfish, disregarding your own advantages and welfare over those of others, guys. Guys, this is something where we share this and we help everybody to win. Let's look at the definition of recruiting. This is a simple one. To enlist persons in the military service, to strengthen or raise an armed force by enlistment, to hire or enroll or seek to hire or enroll new employees, members, or students. That is not what we're doing. We're not over here recruiting. We are sharing this great opportunity with others, giving them a chance to make an executive decision over their lives, whether they want to be here. So now you know the difference. You can never say that we are recruiting because you see what recruiting is, and you definitely see what sharing is. Let's move forward. G8 Ventures allows you to put your money to work for you. What G8 Ventures is not. We're not an MLM. We're not a get-rich-quick scheme, nor are we a Ponzi scheme. What we are is this. People simply helping people to thrive. We're helping each other to grow and to thrive. We are an automated crowdfunding project, guys. We're a crowdfunding project that's allowing our members to grow. G8 Ventures is a community of like-minded people. Remember that when you're sharing this with people. Make sure you're sharing this with like-minded people, right? We're a community of like-minded people helping new and existing entrepreneurs fund their business ventures. That's super exciting, right? And what we're also is this. We're a group that's looking to get financial freedom for all. Who can participate with us? Well, that's simple. Anyone 18 years or older, people who are willing to help others. That's it, guys. People who have business ventures or getting ready to start a business venture, guys. People who are in need of funding for their venture today. What is required, guys? We're going to look at that. We're going to look at what's required to work with us. Well, there's a one-time cost, right? A one-time donation that you're going to put in of $100. Once that $100 is in, then you can start receiving donations yourself. Do we have to recruit? Back to that. I want to touch upon that so that you get it. Recruiting is not needed. Our members simply share this great opportunity with like-minded people such as themselves who also love to share great opportunity with others, guys. Do you see the difference? If you're someone who does not like to share great opportunities with others, this is not the opportunity for you. I'm going to say that again so that way you do not come over here and start working with us and then all of a sudden you realize that you have to share the opportunity. So we're telling you out of the gate, if you're someone who do not like to share great opportunities with others, this is not the opportunity for you. Thank you for coming, and maybe we'll see you on the next project, but this one is not for you. How much can a G8 member receive in donations? Everyone receives $800 in gifts and re-enters onto the board, right? Re-enters onto the community board for $200, securing 2 positions. This leaves each senior with $600 per cycle. Then they head over to G5, they get their money back, and you're going to see that, guys. It's unlimited money that you can earn here, but we're going to show you our strategy. G8 Ventures community donation structure. Let's look at our structure. We know that everyone in G8, this is set up as a freshman, sophomore, junior, and of course that amazing senior. This thing is set up and designed, whereas it's like college or high school. Everyone enters our boards as freshmen. On the freshman board, you'll see 2 sides, the left side and the right side. What's super amazing about this, the left side does not depend upon the right side to move. So once 4 people is here, this side moves up. Once 4 people is here, this side moves up. It does not take the entire 8 to be filled to move up. Once someone moved from the freshman position to the sophomore position, they would then move to the junior position and then into that amazing senior position where they will then start to receive their donations from every new incoming freshman. How does that work? Every freshman sends a $100 donation to that amazing senior. Once that senior has accumulated 8 $100 payments for a total of $800. They will then drop back down on the board for $200, right? Not this particular board, but another board within the community where we see fit. And if seeing fit that they could drop on this board, well, yeah, we can do it. But we want to make sure that our senior is rewarded by becoming an instant sophomore. We don't want to drop a senior and he have to become a freshman again, unless it's just out of our control and we have to do it. We want to reward our seniors as they drop off the board. They will become an instant sophomore. And our strategy puts that into play. So they're going to re-enter on this board, right, or another board for that $200. And when they do that, that leaves them $600. Then from the $600, they're going to take $500 and head into the GA Max $500 board, which means they now have $100, which was their initial donation when they came in. So now they're here for free. Let's look at phase one so I can break that down to you again so that you can get it, okay? So when you come in, you're going to put $100 in to join. That's step number one. You're going to secure a freshman position on the board. Step two, share that great opportunity. Share this great opportunity with others simply by inviting them to take a look at the opportunity, guys. Just, hey, come over here and take a look at the opportunity. Let me know what you think. If you want in, come on. We're not recruiting. We're simply sharing, right? Step three, advance on the board to the sophomore, junior, and finally that senior position. Once this happens, you're in position now to start receiving your donations, which we outlined for you here in step number four. Step number four, collect 8 $100 donations from the new incoming freshmen. Step number 5, from your $800, re-enter to 2 new freshman positions, leaving you with $600. When you have $600, this is what's going to happen. You're going to register into G8 Max for $500 of the $600, leaving you your $100 that you started with. You now have received your initial donation of $100 back, and you are here now in pure profit mode. That is amazing, guys. That means that from this, if you look at this board, guys, this is super important. When you look at this board and you up here collecting at 8, know one thing for sure. You're getting ready to get your 100 back that you came with, and you're about to make 3 more crucial investments. 2 of the investments are going to be within the community on one of our $100 boards with 2 positions, right? Or if this board see fit, this one. But we're trying to get you as a immediate sophomore, so you're probably heading out from here going somewhere else. That's super important. Now, the next thing is going to happen, guys. Once you're in there, you're going to just keep duplicating. Now, let's look at our ghosts. The ghosts are positions that you create once you have made it to the top and you're now a senior. Once you have your $800, that position gets canceled out. When you cancel out that current position, you'll come back in with 2 new positions, which are pretty much ghosts of you. So when I tell you that we could drop you from up there after you cycle, and look here, we can make you an instant sophomore by dropping you on the board that need 1 or maybe 2 people. That's super important. It's better than sitting there as by yourself as a freshman, right? We're going to find a board for you when you cycle that's going to drop you down and make you an instant sophomore. You become a floating ghost, what we call it. Floating ghost. That means you could float the board, be dropped in great positions that's going to help you to earn more money. Getting started. All you got to do is send the donation of $100 to that senior that we indicate that you sent to, and you're in the game. That's it. And you're going to rise on the board from sophomore, junior to senior, where you're in your senior position, receiving your own donations of $100 for your new business venture or your existing business. That is amazing, guys. So what we've created here is something where everyone that's starting a business or people that already have a business can now receive income from our community. Our community supports each other's business venture through crowdfunding. If you're not familiar with crowdfunding, that is something that President Obama signed the Jobs Act in 2012, saying that we could fund each other's ventures. And he gave it an amazing tax base, which means now we can donate up to $16,000 to each other without having to worry about paying taxes on it. So we're in the right place, doing the right thing at the absolute right time. So right now, I want to welcome you to G8 Ventures. Have a great day.